Hi, this is Cody Hickman, your chef today at 360 Catering and Events. It's a YouTube channel, of course, and it's International Hot and Spicy Day. So I want to go Asian with it, but also healthy. So what we do is these little mini egg rolls with avocado. As you see, we already diced up and sliced, and jalapenos. We already de-seeded the jalapenos and julienned them. This thin slice is all julienne really means. You see, we already have 3 of them done. We're going to go ahead and do our 4th one. What we're going to do first is put just a little water around all the edges. Just a little bit. That'll help seal in your egg roll. Put the avocado in there. The jalapeno strips. Put as many as you want in there as you find that you want the spice level. You're gonna seal these up. You're gonna go from the bottom up and then going on the sides. Very important to keep everything tight so you don't have any leaks. And it's all sealed up properly. So very tight roll, but very gently at the same time because they will break apart on you. Then what we're gonna do is bring them over here to our hot oil. I'm going to turn the hot oil back on. A good way if you don't have, now I have a fancy thermometer, of course, correct? But a good way to know when their oil is nice and hot, want about an inch of oil, take a wooden spoon and see how the bubbles are just starting to rise. That means my oil is starting to heat up. As soon as you get a nice, good bubble in there, it's at perfect temperature. So we obviously don't want to just throw them in there, so we'll get our tongs and put them in. Now at 375 degrees, about an inch and a half deep, it does not take very long at all for these to start going. Now, a lot of ways you can go with this. These are the avocado is very creamy inside, so you really don't need a sauce on these. But if you like to do a sauce, we did a chipotle, sriracha ranch with a little chili powder on top for color. This is again one of my favorite things to do. I love egg rolls. And we'll go ahead and let these go just a little bit longer. I think they're ready. We're going to have our paper towels already set up and ready to go. So we get all that grease off of them. Or at least some of the grease. You want to have a little of the grease, right? So these are, again, great snacks for your NFL playoff time coming up. So we're just going to put them on this little plate right here. And there you go with our spicy ranch with a little chili powder in there. And man, as usual, we have this on 360 Catering and Events website for your full recipe. And hey, if you need somebody to cater your Super Bowl party, we're here for you. Thank you very much and have a great day.